Ever wondered what are the best veggies for a vertical garden? Welcome to the world of vertical gardening, a space-saving, efficient way to grow your favorite produce. In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 veggies perfect for thriving in a vertical garden. Stick around to discover the top 5 veggies for your vertical garden. Starting our list at number 5, we have tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent choice for vertical gardens, thanks to their vine-like growth. From classic beefsteak to sweet cherry tomatoes, there's a variety suitable for every vertical space. Tomatoes offer a delicious and practical option for your vertical garden. Coming in at number 4 are cucumbers. Just like tomatoes, cucumbers thrive as vine plants hung vertically. This setup simplifies harvesting, improves air circulation, and boosts overall plant health. Cucumbers will bring a cool crunch to your vertical garden. At number 3, we have pole beans. These lively climbers are perfect for vertical gardening, utilizing space efficiently as they reach skyward. With a variety of types, from Blue Lake to Kentucky Wonder, each offers unique benefits. Pole beans are a versatile and hardy addition to any vertical garden. Our number 2 pick is peas. Peas are a fantastic choice for vertical gardening. From sugar snap peas to snow peas, these climbing plants offer delightful variety. They're easy to grow, rich in nutrients, and provide a bountiful harvest. Peas are a sweet and nutritious addition to your vertical garden. And finally, at number 1, we have spinach. This leafy green, with its compact growth and high yield, is a superstar for vertical gardening. Packed with vitamins and minerals, spinach is a nutritional powerhouse. Spinach is a superfood that will thrive in your vertical garden. So there you have it, the top 5 veggies for a vertical garden. With tomatoes, cucumbers, pole beans, peas, and spinach, you can create a vibrant and bountiful vertical garden. Each of these veggies not only saves space, but also brings unique benefits to your garden. So why not give vertical gardening a go with these fantastic 5? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!